kitchen with another one. I'm gonna show you how you can make yourself a beautiful, healthy smoothie. A healthy juice, not a smoothie, like a juice in the morning. Alright? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk you through it and make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I got some celery, which I'm gonna cut up. Alright, so we're gonna pop that celery straight inside of our blender. And to be honest, celery is very, very good for you, especially if you're a person who are interested in weight loss. So we pop some celery. So we're gonna just make up a green juice to boost your immune system. We got some cucumber. Pop some cucumber inside of it. Alright. I got a piece of a ginger left over. I'm gonna pop that piece of a ginger. Beautiful. Also, I got some lemon. I'm just gonna use half of a lemon inside of it. I think I have some spinach left back. Yeah. Nice one. I'm gonna pop a few spinach inside of it. Definitely that's gonna bring in a nice. Lovely. Now, the thing is that, to be honest guys, it's just a little bit of water inside of it, alright? Not much. Half cups of water. And you're very good to go. If you want, you can pop off roughly about half teaspoon of honey inside of it. Alright. And I'm gonna pop a little bit of my favorite apple cider vinegar inside of it. So what we're gonna do this time, we're going to drink everything. We're not gonna put anything in the bin. We're gonna also chai seeds. We're gonna put a little bit of a chai seeds in it. I just pour it from the bag. That chai seed is a thing when they put each on the spoon is like it's everywhere, and I don't like it. All right. Yeah. Also, I have some fresh mint. I'm gonna pop some fresh mint in it. And I have a little bit of my, here it is. I got some flat parsley. I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it also. Beautiful. Now, the thing is just to get your blender now. Alright. And we're gonna blend it a little bit, then we're gonna add some more ingredients. So it's just a green smoothie to boost your immune. Alright, now we're gonna make a little bit of a noise. Lovely. So once you blend it down like that, alright. The thing is, you can also, you don't have to, but it's just option, alright, to put some avocado inside of it, alright. So we're gonna put a little bit of avocado, roughly about half of avocado. It's pretty good. Alright. So we're gonna put some avocado inside of it. So it's just a green smoothie to boost your immune system. Alright. Yeah, so we're gonna blend this again. And make sure you guys drink everything. Don't leave nothing inside of this. Alright. Make sure you drink everything. It's just to boost the immune system. Alright, nice one. So that look perfect. I like that. So that look nice with the chai seed and everything. So you wanna just drink this just as it is. Nice one. Yeah, beautiful. Now let's pour that into your. Alright, beautiful. Look at that, amazing. Alright, now can also put a little bit more of a chai seed on top of it. Alright, that is lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about. A healthy smoothie. Alright, beautiful one. And to be honest, you guys definitely will like this one. Alright, yeah, beautiful one with a lot of, let's put a little bit of my favorite in it. Look at that. That is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Beautiful one. A healthy green smoothie to boost your immune system in the morning. Alright, you can drink this like whenever you want to drink it. It's up to you guys, but it's fantastic, amazing, and 100% you guys definitely will love that. Alright, if you like the recipe, please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend and a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, healthy green smoothie to boost your immune system in the morning, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Oh my days, look at that one. That is fantastic, guys, and amazing. So yeah, we have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo on the team. And as I said, this is just like a tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more to come to boost your immune system at home, in your kitchen, or wherever you are. Alright? So please enjoy it, and I will definitely make you some more healthy recipe, healthy juice, and healthy lifestyle at home in your kitchen. Look at that one. An amazing healthy recipe from Chef Ricardo. Please like, share, and subscribe. Look at that. An amazing one. I can't believe, guys. Fantastic. Wow. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? Now, as you can see, we're going to, yeah, make a healthy juice again. One more juice on the menu from Chef Ricardo today. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification.